Now see students, this is the drawing of which we are going to draw the section of foundation for load bearing wall. This drawing we have studied in theory class also, and all of you please have a close look at the drawing. Right, the footing width is 900 centimeter, the thickness of footing is 300 centimeter. Below the foundation footing, there is leveling course with gravel, CC foundation, then the brick masonry footings, then above that the 40 centimeter thick wall, and then above plinth level the 30 centimeter thick wall section is shown, right? The details, all these details of foundation of a 30 centimeter brick masonry wall that you have to draw to a scale in your A4 size blank sheet. So now what is the scale, how we will decide the scale of this drawing? For that, let us understand first. All of you please have look on the note. See what is the scale of any drawing is. Scale is representation of the ground details on the paper, right? So we are going to select our scale as 1 centimeter is equal to 50 centimeter. Now what is this 1 centimeter is on sheet, and this 50 centimeter is on ground. Okay, so as per that our scale becomes 1 centimeter is equal to 0.50 meter, right? So with this scale, drawing the foundation footing, for the drawing purpose what you need to do is, first of all you will draw a center line. सेंटर लाइन क्या होती है? एक सीधी लाइन होती है, ठीक है, सीधी लाइन विथ डॉट्स इन बिटवीन, स्ट्रेट लाइन, स्मॉल स्ट्रेट लाइन, डॉट्स, स्ट्रेट लाइन, डॉट्स, स्ट्रेट लाइन, डॉट्स. पहले हम सेंटर लाइन बनाएंगे किसकी? ये दीवार की, ठीक है. नाउ एट द बॉटम फ्रॉम अबाउट 5 या 6 सेंटीमीटर from the bottom of the page, on either side of the center line we will draw a horizontal line. Okay, that horizontal line will be of how much width? Of width equal to width of the footing. Okay, so here the width of our footing is 900 mm or 90 centimeter or 0.9 meter. So that to our this scale it will be how much? 1.8 centimeter. So 0.9 centimeter on either side of center line you have to draw the as a footing bottom. Okay, then above that, at the bottom the leveling course is there. So this 1.8 is of leveling course. The thickness of leveling course is 150. The thickness of leveling course is 150 mm or 15 centimeter. So that 15 centimeter to our scale it will be 0.15 मीटर, ठीक है. 0.15 मीटर अपने स्केल से कितने होंगे? 3 mm. You will draw a 3 mm line here to show the leveling course. ओके, यहाँ से 3 mm मेजर करना है सेंटर से. एक हॉरिजॉन्टल लाइन बनी है विच विल शो द लेवलिंग कोर्स. देन अबव दैट द थिकनेस ऑफ फुटिंग it is given as 300 mm or 30 centimeter. It means 0.3 meter. So that 0.3 meter to our scale you have to draw here as 0.6 centimeter. लगभग इतना होगा 0.6 centimeter you will draw here. Okay, then comes the masonry footings. Okay, the width of masonry footings are given as 600, 500 and 400, and the height as 400, 300 and 600. So correspondingly as per our scale whatever it will come we have to plot it. So first the 600 width footing, our scale to our scale it will be 1.2 centimeter. So 0.6 on either side, and the 400 height will be 0.8 सेंटीमीटर. ठीक है. तो ये अपनी हो गई 600 wide footing. Then comes the 500 wide footing. It will be 1 centimeter wide and 0.6 centimeter height, and then comes the 400, that is 0.8 centimeter wide footing. अब ये देखो यहाँ पर 50 सेंटीमीटर वाइड फुटिंग पे ये ग्राउंड लेवल आ जाता है. सो यू हैव टू शो अ ग्राउंड लेवल हियर this way. This is the conventional sign of ground level. Okay, and we will write GL like this. Okay, above that this is the 40 centimeter plinth masonry wall. ठीक है, वो कितनी हाइट तक है? 600. सो 1.2 सेंटीमीटर. ठीक है, 1.2 सेंटीमीटर तक हमको ये 40 सेंटीमीटर वाइड वॉल बनानी है. फिर वहाँ पर प्लिंथ ड्रॉ कर देना है. राइट. अब यहाँ पर ऊपर है DPC. थिकनेस ऑफ DPC इज गिवन 10 सेंटीमीटर. सो दैट विल बी 0.01. So it will be a dark line only. Okay. Below that the floor is also same 10 सेंटीमीटर thick. ठीक है. उसके नीचे कंक्रीट बेड दिया हुआ है, उसकी थिकनेस नहीं है. सो दैट विल एज्यूम एज 20 सेंटीमीटर, 0.4 mm टू आवर स्केल. ओके. बिकॉज ये कंक्रीट है, यहाँ पर डॉट्स एंड brick beds darkened or the kapchi darkened. Above that the 30 centimeter wall comes. See, so for that 30 centimeter wall 15.15 centimeter on either side. ठीक है. And that for any height, because हम उसके हमारा फोकस कितनी हाइट पर है उसका नहीं. वी आर ओनली इंटरेस्टेड इन फाउंडेशन डिटेल्स. ओके. सो एंड नाउ फॉर ऑल द फुटिंग्स you have to show the brick masonry lines like this. Okay, this is the sign of brick masonry. Okay, and then you have to show the components, all the components as shown in the figure. Okay, so this way you have to draw the figure of our third practical, the section of foundation for load bearing wall. Okay, thank you.